How's it going, guys? Steven with Break Free Homestead. Today, I'm gonna give you a solution to your dishwasher. This is specifically a GE dishwasher, not draining. We've had this happen before, and I think it's the same problem again. So let's go through the steps on how you can troubleshoot and then fix this thing. Because nobody wants to be doing hand washing dishes for days on end like we are right now. But let's get to it. All right, guys. So we just were able to fix this for about $40. If this content helps you out at all, if you would, please drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps our channel out as we grow. If you would comment down below, let me know if this fixed it or not, or if you have different issues, just let me know and we'll try to answer your questions. So you open this thing up and then you got a bunch of water in here. So I already cleaned it out, but the first step we're gonna do is we're gonna take this stuff out and then we will check to make sure we don't have any blockages, okay? I'll walk you through how to clear that out real fast, so. If you just take both racks out, it makes it a lot easier. You're gonna need a shop vac. First thing you should do is pull the blade or the spinning thing on the bottom off. It's just a quick quarter turn on that. All right, now you're going to take this off. This is gonna be your filter. And then the float. Quite often it gets gunked up in here, so make sure you clean this out. Like I said, we already cleaned this stuff out, but you need to make sure you do that. Here you just have two knobs, and this is gonna take this whole cover off. Super easy. And at this point, you're just gonna need to vacuum this out because if you do that, it's gonna leak all over the place. You don't wanna do that. All right, now we have a 1/4 inch socket and an extension to get in there. Obviously it doesn't need to be this long, but it's what we have, so. There's gonna be 2 bolts in there holding this bottom piece in. You need just this simply pops out, and then you'll be able to clear this out. Now this slides out the bottom, and this will have a lot of gunk in it down here. Make sure you clean that out. Clean this out. You could vacuum this part out on the bottom just to clean that whole section out, okay? Once you have this cleared out and there's no obstructions, you've kind of ruled that out, okay? So make sure you get that O-ring back in there. You're gonna put this back on, and then you'll just place it back in there. You go ahead and screw it back in or bolt it back in. All right, so that your inside is all cleaned out. You've made sure there's no obstructions in there. One more thing you want to check before you start tearing this thing apart. Come under your sink, detach your drain, and just throw your vacuum up to it. And try to clear any obstructions that may be in there. You already vacuumed out in there, so it won't really have a crazy amount, but if you can see some chunks coming through, that might be your problem, and you could try to run your dishwasher again. But for this case, we've already done all this, and I have ordered a new pump. So I will drop a link down below. I'm not an affiliate, so I don't get any kickback on that. But I've used them before, and they're pretty good. So go check that out. It's super affordable. It's like $39 with shipping. So check them out. Let's get this. So we're going to take this thing out and get this pump replaced real fast. All right, guys, so I just flipped it over, and you can hear this old pump trying to work, but it's just making a noise, like it's not actually doing anything, just kind of like a vibration noise. So let's get this thing out. All right, this process is pretty simple. Obviously, unplug. All right, so super simple. You obviously have the one connection here. You have the one connection around where the drain is. And then you have this hook that just loops right into the circle. And then this connects right in. So go ahead and plug this in real fast. All right, everything is nice and tight. It's all secure here. Plug is plugged in. Flip this thing back up, you're all done.